Why practical learning? Yeah, what's the significance of practical learning? My only explanation, the basic explanation I give us is that everything in our childhood, when we are born, talking, eating, speaking new words, even walking, the most difficult things a human being can learn is learned practically. We are not given a textbook or a material where the child needs to follow that and learn how to talk or how to speak. They learn naturally. They learn seeing others. They learn seeing elders talking. They see elders walking. They see elders eating, and that is how they gradually learn. Then at the age of 6, when the child is in the age of accepting new knowledge, broader knowledge, we give them textbooks. And we tell them that now the entire learning has to be through written material where you can't imagine, you can't experience the things, but just basis the words written in the textbook is where you have to consume all knowledge, which I disagree on. I'm like, the most impactful learning happens when kids are learning practically, when the kids are able to experience what it is written in the textbook. Very simple example, there are 8 steps to do crop production. 8th standard has a 10-pager chapter on it. My kids have never seen it practically. They never see farming, they never see videos on it. Just basis the pictures and the content, you have to learn. So at the end, the result is that they end up mugging up. What we do here at Prodigy is that the child actually does the farming. He grows his own crops. He grows his fenugreek, spinach, tomatoes, pomegranate. That is where the child understands each step of farming, and when it comes to writing in exams, he's able to recollect what he's experienced and write in a much deeper and a detailed sense. Harvard research which states that a child retains only 20% of knowledge when he listens to some concept. He retains 35% of concept when he reads and understands. But when he's experiencing or seeing it himself, he retains 80% of their concept. Just imagine how less the child has to mug up. And then as an educator, we can work on the other aspects, that is how to make the writing more impactful, how to help them express their views in a more concise way, and they focus on their vocabulary, focus on their basic concepts. So that is what we can work on if their initial concepts are perfectly clear.